Hey, how's it going? Just wanted to make this quick video for you because I'm looking for a landscaper in Lexington, Kentucky. And I came across your guys' website on page two of the Google listing. And ideally, that's not somewhere where you do want to be. So you guys are pretty much down here on the second page of the Google organic listing when ideally, you want to be here. You want to be, on the front page in this Google My Business pack. This is where a lot of clients are or just people looking for lawn care are clicking, or you want to be, in this top three. Really you want to be here in this top spot right here. Because a lot of people don't go to the second page of Google, and it's more frequently where they're not clicking anything other than these three businesses right here. On mobile, people are just clicking the phone icon that's normally over here and it's calling the business and setting up an appointment. So being able to get up here in this business listing rather than on the second page of Google where you guys are, that's how you're going to be able to convert a lot more clients. So I'm just going to show you a couple tricks and tips on how you can really increase your ranking, to move Kentucky Lawn Care Company from here to the first page of Google. The first thing you want to do is content. Content is one of the main things the Google algorithm looks for, when it's ranking websites, so just not content quantity, but also content quality. It wants a website to be an authoritative site on information, and Google starts this by looking at your homepage, so having a lot more words on your homepage about lawn care, landscaping, tree services that you do supply, will be able to, get the Google algorithm to like your website a lot more. So, increasing the word count on your homepage, I think you only have about 300 to maybe 375 words here. Increasing this word count is going to be a key factor in getting Google to trust your website more. Let's just look at something real quick since we're in Kentucky. If you type in horses, one of the first websites that pops up is Wikipedia, because Wikipedia is the authority on horses. There's no other website online that really has more information just on horses in general, which is why Google places it so high, on the ranking. Just look at all these breakdowns and content that Wikipedia has just for horses alone, and it could be with any other things, computers, TVs. Just type in the word pen and you'll see just everything about it. So you really want your main page to have a lot of information and a lot of good quality content with some strong keywords. So Google will be, happy with your site and place it higher up in the rankings. The next thing that is very key is backlinks. So a backlink basically is a vote from another website. So right here it shows you have 23 backlinks, which is 23 different websites sending traffic to your site, just website linking to your website, but you have a trust flow of 0, which means that these websites are not sharing their trust with you. They're sending these links and they're sending people to you, but they're not using their I guess their authority in sharing that with you. So which is why you have 23 links, but your trust flow is 0 and your citation flow is also pretty low. So some of your competitors also have only 1 or 2 domains and very, very low, almost non-existent trust and citation flow. Some are a little bit better with it, but really and truly you want some really good, strong backlinks to be able to get this number as high as you possibly can. When you start getting this number into the 20s and 30s is where Google really starts ranking your site higher and higher to be able to get more people to see it. And once you do have that website, ranked higher, the next thing you really want to do is take advantage of this Google My Business listing. Hold on a second. Yeah, you really want to take advantage of this Google My Business service that they have, because Google loves when companies and organizations use their tools and products and they reward you for it. So if you have a Google My Business listing and it's, in this top 3 spot, and then you get clients to send you reviews, so the more reviews you have, the better, and Google will like you better, so they'll keep you here a lot more because they know you're having people write reviews, which is using Google services. So using Google and knowing the algorithms and the way to manipulate the algorithms in your favor is one of the main things to get your company up into this top spot over here. So I just wanted to send you this quick video. I think it's going to really help once you pretty much take advantage of these ways the Google algorithm shows you how to get up here. So I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions. This is something I routinely do for my clients, and I think with a little bit of work, we'll definitely get get Lexington Lawn Care from this middle spot right here up to the top spot. Have any questions? Give me a call. You can reach me at 646-714-5113. I'm in Kentucky, and I'm more than happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks.